from Chi-Chi's Guinea Pigs.
And who are you with?
This is Teddy.
Teddy, say hi.
He's so excited to see you guys.
Hi. Hi, it's Chi-Chi from Chi-Chi's Guinea Pigs. I don't know if you noticed our shirt. Happy Valentine's Day. Layla's got the same shirt. Oops, can you see that? Can you see your shirt, Layla? Okay, it says peace, love, and guinea pigs, which we're all about, huh, Teddy?
Yeah.
One of the other things I wanted to talk about and touch base was when we got our first guinea pig from the pet store, he kept sneezing, and we thought that was so cute, didn't we, Layla?
Yeah, I really thought it was really cute.
We're like, oh, bless you. It was like, chee-chee-choo. Oh, bless you. And we thought it was really cute. But then I noticed he kept going like this with his paw. And I was like, it's cute, but let me just see what that could be and if that's normal, because he kept doing it. I think once in a while is probably okay, but he kept doing it. Now, this was within the first week.
Yeah, like the first week or so.
Week, maybe 7 days of us having him, he kept sneezing. So then I did a little research, and guess what? It's not cute. It actually could be a couple things, but what it ended up being, we had to take him to the vet, which I was told I didn't even have to take him to the vet ever. That's what we thought. And we had to find a vet, local vet. There's no exotic vets where we live, so we had to just go to a local vet, in which they know some basic information. Bacon ended up having a sinus infection, which can be really deadly if we don't catch it soon enough. So sneezing is not good. And I found out like 85% of pets that come from the pet store have either some kind of bacterial infection or might have mites or ringworm, which with ringworm and mites will be a whole nother video. But we'll talk about that. So one thing you need to watch out for, if they're sneezing and kept using their paws to clean their, essentially snot rubbing from their nose, that's where you need to get them to the vet as quick as possible. And then he ended up being on an antibiotic, which is a whole nother video, and trying to learn how to syringe feed a guinea pig. Not as easy as they make it look. Okay, for now, I'm signing off. Everybody give their guinea pigs loves and kisses.
Say bye, Teddy.
Say bye, Teddy.
Bye, guys.
If there's any information you want me to talk about, please put it in comments, like and subscribe. Thanks, Ed.